my basketball experience. I began to play basketball when I was in the first or the second grade after my mom convinced me to go for basketball coaching by showing me videos of Michael Jordan. Of course, after watching that, I was pumped to start learning, but in relatively little time, I realized Jordan was Jordan. There's no way that I could get to that level, but by then, basketball had become my favorite sport. Unfortunately, my coach just vanished, and I have no clue where he went. I went for coaching to another place, which honestly speaking seemed more professional, but I quit later. Basketball in 3rd and 4th grade was not very eventful. We were not allowed to play basketball in school in primary, which was from 1st to 4th. So because of that, I didn't really play much basketball at home either. Everything changed in the 5th grade when I quote-unquote graduated to the middle school. One of my close friends from 2nd was in my class and I would play basketball with her a lot. She was better than me at the time, but I was sure that I could beat her in a one-on-one after becoming better at the sport. We had an insane rivalry and an extremely entertaining games in the 5th grade. There was also a straight-up civil war in our class between the people who played basketball and the people who played football. Also, can I just add the argument that the quote football group had was basketball is for girls, which is honestly just plain stupid. At least the people who said this agreed with me a year or two later. In the inter-house league in the 5th grade, I don't remember who won, but I remember my house was in the finals and I totally flunked a free throw. This was the first year I started watching NBA too, I think, and I started supporting the Cavs. I still have a LeBron in the Cavs jersey and no, I did not attempt to burn it. It was very expensive. In the 6th grade, I got my identity as a basketball player. I was the Steph Curry of our grade, nailing threes from every corner with a 30% plus accuracy. I was one of the best players in the grade, if not the best. I was still garbage at dribbling, but my shooting ability made people choose me relatively early in matches. In the inter-house match though, I underperformed immensely until the semi-final match. There were 30 seconds left and our team was down by 1. I got the pass and shot a 3 and yelled bound, but it wasn't needed. I drained the 3 and won the game for my team, putting me in the finals. 7th grade was when it all started falling apart. Everyone in my grade began to pick up in skill level and the number of people who played basketball increased. I either stayed at the same level or I started becoming worse, I don't know. I started to get injuries in my ankles and I couldn't play much at all. When I played again, I would get more injuries. It was this infinite loop. I had a terrible injury problem. The inter-house basketball competition was cancelled and I became worse and worse day by day. And now here we are in high school. I will not specify which year I'm in. I don't think I will ever get back to how good I was, but I see occasional sparks of my former self. In coaching, I absolutely annihilated my friend. From a 3-point deficit to win, and I titled that Rose Mode after Derrick Rose. I flew across the court making baskets over and over and over again. But I never got back to that. I pulled another D-Rose though and injured my knee badly. It was really bad and it took a long time to heal. But right after that, I injured my hamstring in the school team tryouts. I made it in, but I was quote-unquote Team D. I was basically the bench warmer of the bench warmers. I played a bit though, but it took forever for the hamstring to heal. I also hurt my hand from a fall in coaching, which took a fair bit of time to heal too. Since the Cavs are garbage now, I don't really watch the NBA, but I am interested in it and I get all my information from a friend. That's where I am now, stuck in an infinite loop of injuries. In these trying times, I haven't played much basketball, so I am really rusty, but I want to try and get better, back to my previous form. Anyway, that was my basketball journey, and I truly hope this is not the end of the journey.